Hello viewers, my name is Wahid Anwar and in this session we are going to learn how to define, how to set, how to create, how to modify calendars in Primavera P6. Okay, calendar setting is very important because project scheduling is based on it. Now click on Enterprise, then click on Calendars. Calendars window will appear. As you can see, there are three options: global, second one is resource, and third one is project. Project option is not active because in this database we do not have any project, so that's why this option is not active. It is very important to understand these options. First option is let's suppose first option is a global. Okay, if you define your calendar under this option, so it's mean your calendar will be available to anyone on the enterprise. Means this calendar will be available for all types of projects. Okay, if you choose second option, then you define your calendar, so it's mean your calendar will be followed by resources only. And third and last option is project. If you choose this option and if you define your calendar under this option, so it's mean you are going to assign this calendar to a specific project. Okay, now click on global. You can choose any calendar um, from these default calendars because we want to define new one, so that's why we will click on add button. From this option we have to choose a reference calendar. Let's suppose I choose standard 5 days, 5 day work week, then click on select. Now rename this calendar 6 day work week. Okay. Now make it default, click in default box. Now click on modify. Okay, first of all, we will click on work week, and because we our calendar is a 6 days work week, so we have choose this calendar from a 5 days work week. So you can see there are 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours in from Monday to Friday, and we will enter 8 in Saturday because we have to make a work day to Saturday. Now click on OK option. Now click on detailed work hours per day. Then click on again work week and choose from Monday to Saturday. Choose from Monday to Saturday. Here you can see every box represent to 30 minutes. Okay, we can enter here our shift as per our requirements. Okay, I'm just going to enter here lunch break. Work will be start at 8 a.m. and I'm just going to enter lunch break from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. I will choose first that box, then click on non-work, again choose next box and then click on non-work. Okay, so I have to make these boxes a work, so I just and first choose and then click on work. Now click on OK. Next, what we have to do, we have to enter national holidays. Okay, so before entering national holidays you must have a list of your national holidays. Let's suppose I will just give you example. Let's suppose I want to enter a Labor Day, that is on 1st May. I will choose that particular box and then click on non-work. So you can understand from these legends standard, non-work and exception. Next, there are holidays from 23rd to 26th. These holidays are for Eid al-Fitr. So first I choose on 23rd, then click on non-work, 25 non-work, 26 non-work. Okay, like this we can enter national holidays. Okay, now let's suppose we have to just set half day to any work days, full day, any full work day. So let's suppose there is an 11 May. First I will choose that day and then I will choose these boxes like this. like this. Okay, then click on non-work. Okay, so I just convert a full work day as a half day. Okay, okay, now click on time periods. You can see in this option we will enter manually numbers and values. 8 hours per day and hours per week will be 48. 8 multiplied by 6, there are 48. Then click on then next box and enters total hours of month and that are 0 to 8. And again, hours per week there will be 2496, 2496. Then click on OK. Okay, like this we can add, we can modify, we can create new calendars in Primavera P6. Then click on OK and now click on close button. So we have created our calendars. I hope you understand this session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. See you in next video.